This is how it's supposed to be. Not like this. So, I just got to make 2 more bags and do this over again because I'm not here to be wasting no food. Even that one is a little, but it's better. I don't know what the deal is with this today. Oops. I just don't know. Get over there, please. Thank you. I need room for my foots. Ugh. So, let's make 2 more large bags. I got like 5 of these, so I'm not going to be running out anytime soon. Oh, where's my story? I gotta go put me on a story. As I do this, I usually listen to jazz or slightly scary but not story. Yeah. Okay, you go over there. You go there. Thank you. Seal. Thank you. Maybe I'll just take the lazy way out. Like I've never done that before. More protection. Close to the edge as possible, just in case I need to do it over again. Now we're going to vacuum. Okay, that's a lot better. That's a lot better. Maybe I'm just being too much in a hurry, as always. Numbers? Much better. Now go over there. Thank you. And let's do it again. That's what I should watch. We're uptown Saturday night. Is it 0? Oh, it is 0. Okay, my bad. Leave me alone. I'm not out to waste time today. I got things to do. Still want to put it on the edge just in case. Just in case. Don't seal. Now we cooking with bacon grease, y'all. Okay. There. See, that's better. See that? Numbers. I think I was taking it out. I forgot to look at the numbers. I think that was my problem last time. But anyway, I'm good to go this time, huh? Look at that. No R and R. Ha 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 ha. Okay, over there. Thank you. Next. I'm gonna make that. Yeah, let's just make one. You just make two great big ones. And then technically I'll just have 4 pieces of the whole chicken. Thank you. Stay over there, please. Thank you. Let's go. I just gotta slow down. What else is new? Oops. Yeah, that's big enough. I'm gonna just put that whole back piece. No, yeah, because then I'll have a wing and little bits and a wing, one for each day. You know what I'm trying to say. That'll be all right. That'll be all right. Okay, can I get this in here? I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. Stay there. I don't know. We'll see. No, I'm just doing this for you to see. I can see it. I can see it from here. You can't. Yeah. Oops. Oh, well. Okay. Is this going to fit in here? It might. It might. Here, let me just break it up. Then I know for sure. I don't want to lick my fingers right now. I like licking my fingers in private when I do. Okay. Then I'm going to take these remnants and put them in the pot. Plastic. Put that into trash. You go there until I'm finished. Thank you. Woohoo! See? It doesn't take an hour. Okay. This time I'm just going to seal. Is it sealing?